Hello everyone, this is Varsha Dubey. Welcome to you all in the social science class. Student, as you know that from the last video, we have started our second chapter of economics, that is the people as resource. In the last video, I taught you the basic introduction about human resource. I taught you that what are the things that make human an asset or a liability. Now, what we are going to discuss today, we'll discuss the story of Sakal and Vilas. The story of both Sakal and Vilas will help us to understand how investment in people can make them more productive. Actually, the theme of the story given in your book is that Sakal was well educated and doing a job in a private sector. He developed a software and so that he promoted by his boss. His health condition is also good, but comparatively, Vilas lost his father in early age, so that due to poverty, he was uneducated. The health condition was also not good of Vilas. After growing up, he also started to sell fish in the market, just like his mother. Now, come to the next point. Draw out a conclusion from both the stories. Now we'll do the analysis of the story and draw out the conclusion of both the stories. Actually, what is the difference between both? The human capital of Sakal was developed because his parents do investment on his education, health and training. He got proper education so that in return now he is able to take proper care of him and contribute to the development of the country. But the human capital of Vilas was not so good. His parents, his parents were unable to invest, and that's why he remained uneducated, can't get proper job, and his health condition was also poor. दोनों की कंडीशन में काफ़ी डिफरेंस था. सकल एंड विलास. सकल का क्या था? हेल्थ कंडीशन, जॉब, एवरीथिंग वाज गुड बिकॉज हिज पेरेंट्स पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स हिज एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ केयर. बट जस्ट अपोजिट विलास के साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. विलास का की जो चाइल्डहुड था वो बड़ा ही उसने सफ़र किया. उसका फादर जो था वो अर्ली एज में ही उसकी डेथ हो गई थी. और लाइक हिज मदर, Vilas will also have to sell the fish in the market. It is being observed that the country is investing. It is being observed that the country that investing highly in human capital are developing rapidly as Japan. The resources and economic development will be fast via education and medical care. Uh, the human being can give higher rate of return in it to the country in future. Now the thing is, investment in human resource via education and medical care can give high rates of return in future. It creates two situations, virtuous cycle and vicious cycle. The investment done on human capital create two types of situation. Now one by one we'll understand what is virtual cycle and what is vicious cycle. Actually, virtuous cycle is the one which has a positive effect. Educated parents invest more on the education and healthcare of their children by providing them good education, better health facilities. As happened with सकल. सकल के साथ ऐसा ही हुआ. उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसका ध्यान रखा, उसको अच्छी मेडिकल केयर मिली, एजुकेशन मिला और लाइफ में वो सक्सेस हुआ. And what about vicious cycle? Whereas vicious cycle is one which has a negative impact or effect. The case of Vilas, was the example of it, uh, whose parents couldn't care him, and he remained poor and continue this to his next generation. सकल और विलास की कंडीशन में इस तरीके से तो आप ये समझ ही गए हो कि कितना डिफरेंस था, ठीक है. A virtuous cycle has favorable results, but sometimes this cycle can be break. Actually, the thing is that exception is everywhere. Maybe the children of an uneducated and poor people can be educated and convert from vicious to virtuous cycle. आपने कई एक बार सोसाइटी में देखा होगा या अपने रिलेशन में भी कई बार सुना होगा, वो बच्चे जिनके पेरेंट्स उनका प्रॉपर अटेंशन नहीं भी दे पाते हैं, इवन दो दे आर सक्सेसफुल इन देयर एजुकेशन, और लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक सक्सेसफुल मुकाम पर पहुंचते ही हैं और सक्सेस भी होते हैं. तो एक्सेप्शंस तो हर चीज़ के होते हैं. Now countries like Japan have invested in human resource. They did not have any natural resource. They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. These people have made efficient use of other resources like land and capital. अगर लोगों में efficiency ही नहीं है, then how can they will utilize the resources? किसी देश में रिसोर्सेज कितने भी हों, अगर उस पर हम एफर्ट नहीं लगाते, टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं लगाएंगे, और तो फिर उस रिसोर्सेज के रहने का कोई मतलब नहीं होता. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इफ़िशियंसी कहाँ से आती है? जब तक हम उनको नॉलेज नहीं देते, हम उनको ट्रेन नहीं करते. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट जापान, in spite of having lack of natural resources and facing so many types of natural disasters, Japan's human resource is well developed. Why is it so? As the government invests there on the education and health of its people. जापान में अक्सर नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर की कंडीशन होती है, वहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक हमेशा होता रहता है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी जापान में चूँकि गवर्नमेंट का पूरा फोकस होता है कि उसके जो लोग हों वो स्किलफुल हों, नॉलेजेबल हों, और उनकी हेल्थ केयर, मेडिकल एजुकेशन पे अच्छा अटेंशन पे किया जाता है फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट, इसीलिए वहाँ का जो ह्यूमन कैपिटल है वो डेवलप्ड है. These people are having skills to utilize and resources and done a lot for the development of their country. जापान की टेक्नोलॉजी हम सब जानते हैं कितनी एडवांस रही है. Student, in this video we have discussed through the story of Sakal and Vilas the virtuous and vicious cycle that are very important. Now in next video we'll discuss about the economic activities by men and women. But please like and share, subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you for today. Jai Hind. Goodbye.